Indeed, I have begun my work, and there is no wasting of time. My remnants, my elect are coming very quickly to my holy mountain to seek and worship me. I am regrouping and regathering and assembling them together by my own hand. My son Collins, I have begun this work. I am bringing my elect who are scattered from different parts of the world together at my holy mountain to form my end-time church that my Son Jesus Christ will come for. Time is over, my people. No time to waste. Be ready and get prepared, my elect, for you will never again have time to rest. The harvest is very plenty, but the laborers are few. Get ready, my people. I am bringing my elect very quickly at my holy mountain to prepare them for the wedding supper of the Lamb. They are coming swiftly to my holy mountain to worship me in truth and in spirit. It has begun. It has begun. It has begun.